Someone's going to get bricked.
What did you say we're doing?
I thought you said you did a building day.
I said it, red brick.
Built-in brick.
The red brick. Someone had a little note on the channel. Billy Senger Herring, shout out to him because he's going to do a red brick rye from the John Finch book Beercraft.
Yeah, and he's not going to cut corners like we are doing because we haven't got all the ingredients. But
Good
luck, Billy.
Look, Billy. So what have we got in it, Dan?
What have we got in it? Pale malt. We have rye malt. We don't have roasted barley. We don't have this other one, Clara Red.
Yeah, we've got Clara Red.
Oh, very well. We've got Clara Red.
Yeah, we've got Clara Red.
Yeah.
And the roasted barley, I think just for head retention, so we're going to use torrefied wheat for that.
And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 hop additions.
Just after fermentation's finished, what have we got in it, Dan?
Dry hop.
Massive dry hop of 100 grams of Chinook.
Yeah. You know the funny thing about that film?
What?
I'm going to be on holiday when it might be dry hopping. It might have to be 3 days in.
3 days in after fermentation. Let's hope it ferments like a train.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get going, Dan.
Let's go. Stir in.
We'll stir. How many litres?
17.
17 litres?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's the grain bill? Massive.
I got bad shoulder fill.
Still, am I going to be lifting the grain out? Oh, love the smell. Every video we say about the smell.
Put them with a bigger hole.
Mashed in, nearly.
Bit on the top, bit dry. Boiled 75.
Boil, so yeah. Or mashing for an hour, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, all good. Well, we're going to scale up, aren't we, today?
Because we should give our beer away.
Yeah,
We're nice
the
people.
book says 19 litres.
19.
But we're going to use Dan's app again.
Yeah.
Download the app.
Download the app.
Quick example of the app. So we need 10 grams of Chinook.
Yeah. Ah, there we are. This one.
That's the one.
That's the one.
Brewing tools.
We're going for the recipe scaling.
Recipe scaling.
Okay, so we're putting 10 in there.
Yeah.
I'm going to press the button. 12.1 grams.
And it gives us, because we're going from 19 to 23, so we need 12 grams of that now then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll have a go.
Yeah.
Chinook.
Walk in there. Over there, Dan, over there.
You see left now, is that the second
And number
one?
3 is going to be Cascade, 5 grams of.
It's not very much, Phil.
Well, let's see what the app says, maybe 6. If you're new to the channel, what we do, put our hops in order for when they need to be added to the brew. First one in the hop basket, so you don't forget it.
Another good thing about the app, if you haven't got the hop you need, we've got a substitute hops on there, so you can put what you want and give you alternatives.
Yeah, for example, if you didn't have Cascade.
Amarillo.
Show me the way to Amarillo.
The thing about today, normally do about an hour's boil, don't we? Today is a 75-minute boil.
I've brought the wrong yeast. I have to pop home. It says Safel US05. I brought the Safel SO4. I shall pop home and get that. Do recirc.
Do
recirculation.
recirc. I'll put these in there.
We're up to 66. Beautiful temperature for mashing in that one. 66, and let's give a bit of a recirculation.
Do recirc.
But it still smells very grainy at the moment. Yeah, coming through lovely.
We just knocked the temperature up to 75 degrees from 66, and that's called mashing out, so we're just mashing out now. Raising the grains.
Raising of the grains. Right, here we go. Easy when Dan does it.
So we got 17 in there. What sort of thing are we hitting at the moment, Phil? Just to...
Should we have a look at our gravity?
Yeah, I think.
Oh, this has been a trusty servant, hasn't it?
It has, yeah. Don't drop it now, that's a kiss of death. You know what happened to the hydrometer? I haven't pulled it out since.
You haven't pulled it out since? What about the hydrometer?
Ah, that as well.
What do you reckon, Dan?
You should be 80. You ain't gonna get 5%. You need to do some washing here. 54, 55, you need to do some washing and praying. Initial gravity, 1048.
So this is at the start of the boil, just above the 25 litre mark. We want a final gravity of
1048.
Let's have a look what current gravity is now. 1042. The required volume is 22.
22, which is
just below the 23.
So we're just slightly below the target gravity of 5, so I reckon maybe 4.8-ish. Yeah, we're not far off.
Not far off. A litre,
yeah.
2 pints.
But whatever we lose there, we're going to gain in the second run in, so I don't mind. We just hit the boil, Phil.
Hit the boil.
Yeah.
Smells changed and it's blooming lovely.
Putting in the first hop addition.
Columbus. There you go. The sugars will raise the boil temperature, won't it? A sugary solution boils higher temperature than a
water.
Right, what's happening, Dan?
I'm very disappointed. I try and give my heart and soul, but my fellow brewer has given up. He has given up on brewing the second run-ins.
My fellow brewer has to go inside. I'm stuck at home on my own.
So I don't spend that much time inside.
So what's your point, Dan?
So my point is, I think he needs to show more enthusiasm. He needs to be more committed to the cause.
Give us a comment if you think I should carry on with Dan's crackpot idea of second run-ins.
Come on, guys, you can help us out.
What's happening there? there, Dan?
What's happening there? Second running. Cooling down the water, it's just finished boiling. I've added a cascade and we're just going to cool it down now.
So out of here, we've got another 50 minutes to the boil to go.
Hey Google, time 15 minutes.
Well, sterilise this one.
Pull off the ends.
Oh, that gives the voyeurs.
The voyeurs.
There's no voyeurs here.
Don't burn your fingers.
No.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that, viewers. That's.
Take off the bloody blue thing. It shot me. It hit my testicle.
I thought the electricity had blown. What else, Dan?
You need to add the hops off. We've got running taps in. I'm going to run in that.
Farting around with the second running. I was kind of casually stroking the second running. Singing. Here he comes.
Sorry, Phil.
We have to chuck in Chinook helicopter. Do double whooper.
Go on, I lift up. Ooh, in the basket, yeah.
Here she goes for our newbies. Protofloc.
Protofloc, not protoflactic. Yeah. It clears up the solution.
Look at him fisting away. Look, let's leave the top off because it's disgusting. It smells terrible.
He's unsubscribed, as he fell.
I think he might have.
Yeah, so he's dead to us. He's dead to us.
Love the count.
Yeah.
Count Druncula.
Yeah, count what we've done.
What we done, Count?
Tell us what we've done, son.
Come back, fella. Quick question for the viewers. Is sugar wine illegal?
No, the sugar wine's fine, but is freeze refactoring it illegal?
Homemade whiskey, is it illegal? Is it illegal?
Legal? Yeah. Should we do it without quality controls?
Right then. Anything you want to say?
I'm cooling down the second runnings.
What am I doing? Flame out. Flame out. Flame off. Stick. Big bunch of hops in there. Tubes on. Hey, he's dropped quite a bit, mate. Do you know what? I prefer to have more of 4% than...
I'm panicking now, Phil. I haven't done any sterilising.
Oh. Well, we've got a while before we need a sterilised container, mate, don't worry.
Well, we might need two, that's a problem.
No.
Oh, I'm squirting, I'm wet. Squirting all over myself, so to speak.
So, Levy, how's the second running coming on?
We're trying to cool it down, so we've got two cooling mechanisms going.
Yeah.
One is outside with the water and the cooling coil.
Yeah.
And the second is with me with a water stroke ice sparge.
Slow and steady, we go slow and steady. Lovely smell on this, though, Dan. Lick him in back. We'll pull it around though, it'll be good in your ass.
That's a premium shot. Members only club.
Is it good?
Oh no, off though.
What?
This is, sorry, bad language, but this is dipping in the bloody glass. Clean the bloody ends, okay?
Alright, go on then.
Good oxidisation there with a bit of distance. Oh, that's one way of doing it, it's pouring straight into the liquid.
Alright.
Is it? Yeah. Are you dancing, fella? You dancing?
You know. What are you doing, Dan?
Just added the Sapphire SO4. 23, spot on the target. I put this in the kitchen. So now we have to dry hop after 4 days.
Well, it was a cracking brew day. Me and Dan had some great fun. And he did manage to dry hop before he went away, and when he came back we kegged it in a 19 litre keg. Numbers, we had original gravity of 1.046 and a final gravity of 1.009, giving us an ABV of 4.8%. And we actually took it round to the boys to see what they thought of it.
Nice, I like that. 4 out of 5.
What do you think of the Red Brick Rye, Reese?
Very good, very solid, very smooth actually. Yeah, going on very well. I gotta say, service, exceptional service. Had to be patient, but worth the wait.
Yeah, that's enough of that. Now, it would be a little bit remiss of me at this point not to thank Steve for hosting the Beer Club night. So, thanks, Steve. Spread.
Spread what?
So, I'll catch you in the next one when I'm going to try and put together the video I've been promising about the hops grown in Dan's garden.
Just pull, yeah, so you hold that and you just pull, there you are.
Yeah.
There we are, and we just